How people never wanna act on their dreams. Minimize your negativity and hop on your feet, cause we super duper blessed. I don't wanna repeat everything that I'm saying.
I'm Ben, and you're currently watching Ben Mantra. Before we get the video, make sure you go down top, link in the description below, and cop the new icon collection. We have a total of 6 different pieces. Top link in the description below, or follow the Instagram Ben Mantra Shop to get notified every time I drop something new. But today we have a Fear of God unboxing. Let me get it real quick. I have it here. I already opened it. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers. So before the video starts, make sure you go down and subscribe, turn on post notifications. So here we have it right here. We have a Nike box right there. If you know, you know what this is. Let's take it out of the box. Here we have the box. This is a nice like faded orange. The reason Jay Lorenzo went with this type of box is for like a vintage orange Nike box. So on the box you have the Nike embossed on it. The side of the box you have Air Fear God. On the shoe right here it says Nike Air Skylon 2 FOG Fear God, size 10. The colorway is black, sal, and fossil, and these did retail for $150. This was the cheapest pair out of all 3 of them. The most expensive one was the Fear God basketball shoe, retailing at $350. The shoot around $300, and then these $150. And these are the Air Skylon. You know, originally came out in 1992. Jay took like a vintage style shoe and remade it for his branding. So opening up the box, I Fear God on the tissue paper. And I did get these from StockX. Right here, there's a receipt. Here's a little StockX thing. And you get a little StockX sticker right there. So that's all you get from StockX. See if I can get a good view for you guys. Here we have them right there. The Nike Air Fear Gods. I am going to keep these shoes. These are not for resale. I'm keeping them because I definitely see these shoes going up in price over time. So let me put all this back and take a look at the shoes. So here we have the Nike Air Fear God Air Skylon 2s right here in the black and sal colorway. I love this shoe so much. I love this shoe. Let me know down below what you guys think of this shoe before we get in the review. So of course you got it from StockX, verified authentic. So let's talk about this shoe. This shoe is like 5 different materials, so it's really nice shoe, really built well. Let's see where we start. Let's start from the bottom. You have the sal colored midsole right there. And bottoms, I love the bottoms. It's very comfortable. You have this like suede. Nike said this was suede, but it really doesn't feel like suede. So I don't know what material this is. But yeah, let's just call it suede. You got the mesh. You got, which I think is really cool, you got the see-through material on the swoosh. On both swooshes, which is really sick. Then you got Fear God in this 3M. So when the light hits it, it's going to reflect. Same thing on the toe box. This is 3M as well as this. When the light hits it, it's going to reflect. Nike Air on the back in black. This shoe is basically murdered out in black. The medial side, you have same thing with no Fear God branding right here. Yeah, this is definitely the most wearable shoe out of all 3 of them that released. Jerry absolutely killed this one. He released this in a white and black colorway, this black and sal colorway, and then he's releasing it in a light bone colorway coming really soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. So let's take a look at the inside. You have leather on the inside right here, very nice premium leather. You have leather on the tongue, which is actually really, really nice quality. Jerry killed it with the quality on these. Leather on the inside too. You have the size tag, size 10. And so you have Air Fear God on this like French terry material on the inside. But yeah, this is basically just an all black shoe. And something I really like is the lacing system Jerry went with this. You have the laces right here, and then you just pinch this. And it comes with 3 different laces. It comes with your normal black rope laces. And then it comes with a black flat lace. The cream rope lace, I really like the cream. I'll probably put these in over the black. I'm not sure. I'm going to see how they look. If you want to see how I style these, make sure to follow my Instagram, benmantra_, and I will be posting a pic with these on really soon. About sizing real quick. Sizing on these is true to size. I went with size 10 and it fits really, really good. So I would definitely recommend true to size on these shoes. This is my first Air Skylon 2, and sizing is true to size. So definitely true to size for these. And one reason why people slept on this shoe was because people are saying it's too plain, it's too minimalist, you know, it's just an all black shoe. And that's what Jerry Lorenzo does, man. If you know Fear God, if you know the brand Fear God, it's just really minimal pieces, but very high quality. And that's what this is. So if you're looking for a shoe you can wear with anything in your wardrobe, this is a shoe for you. A perfect summer shoe. This is probably my go-to summer shoe all summer. 19. Resale value is like $200. I see these going for like $200 on sneaker sites. So I definitely recommend copping them. These are only gonna go up in price. Like the Fear of God Vans, they started out like $100 or something. Now they're like $900 for a pair of Vans. I definitely think these will be going up pretty soon. This is a perfect summer shoe. So I definitely recommend you have at least one of these in your collection. The black one, the white one, or this light bone colorway coming out. But I definitely recommend having one. And then you do have leather right here. Leather on the eyelids. Leather right there. So yeah, this is just a really premium shoe. I'm so happy I copped these. I wasn't able to cop them when they first released because I was at Niagara Falls, but I was able to cop them later on. So I'm so excited I was able to cop these for a good price. And yeah, let me know down below. Let me know down below what you guys think about this shoe. Are you copping? Are you not? Are you just gonna sit on it? Are you gonna sleep? Let me know down below what you guys think about this shoe. I do have a lot more Fear of God pieces to unbox, and Jerry's been killing it at the end of last year into this year. I have 3 Fear of God unboxings coming soon. One is from the Nike collection as well, so stay tuned for that. If you like Fear of God, definitely subscribe to the channel. If you like Supreme, subscribe to the channel. You know, definitely cop the Icon hoodie. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Let me know down below, are these sneakers hot? Are these it? It's basically it for the review. If you guys liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe, and remember, always create.